Lee County. Yep, that's about right.
We're 11 miles south of Rock Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elmina, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Harmon, Lee Center, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, and Dixon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central Illinois. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Rockford and surrounding communities. A flood watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Saturday for the following county: Stevenson, Illinois. Tornado watch number 508 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Boone, DeKalb, Lee, Ogle, and Winnebago, and the following counties: in Wisconsin, Greene and Rock. Tornado watch number 505 remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following county: Stevenson, Illinois.
All right, I had to go outside and look at that real quick.